Welcome to Marksman's quick tutorial on their GIS mapping, where you can track some of your herbicide applications, as well as it could be used for mowing and other vegetation control types. And we can look at it year over year to see some of the different areas and some of the different methods we've used in them. So here's an example of some work we'd done for Husky for last year. You can see all of these little green polygons are areas that the well had herbicide application on, as well as we have some other pins, water sources for ourselves, and as well as photos showing roads flooded. We have red areas highlighting some of the no spray areas, whether these be organic or just in the landowner agreements. So at any time we can scroll in to one of these areas and check out one of these wells. So it tells you the location, the size of the well, and then we can look at the form to see the application from last year. So for this particular location, all your information's here, as well as you got some photos, and you can also generate a report that'll bring it up in PDF form. So once this PDF loads up, you can see last year this location was treated by Adonis and Shan. Here's your environmental conditions when they treated it, the equipment they used, the herbicides they applied, size of the area, the GPS of the location, a little satellite image, as well as photos of the site, and they could put comments in there as well. So all of these come along with the billing for Husky Energy. So at any time during the year, Husky can log into this system and check out any of the applications that have been done. They'll also see the spray trucks or mowers driving around here in real time as they have GPS tracking in them, and they can see where they're at with the program and what treatments or mechanical vegetation control they've completed. I hope this gives you a quick overview of some of the stuff we can do. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you so much.